right, we're pulling up here to another job site that we're installing holiday lights for a couple. See what's going on with these folks. I see you got out of bed, young lady. You look like a witch gonna fly away on the stick.
I'll be arriving at your house later.
I hope not. I hope not. Is this the last tree you got left here? Last tree? So Glenn's putting the reds in here, you got the greens, and you got that done yesterday.
Yeah, that one.
The front's done?
Yeah.
All the down here is done too?
Not that one. Not yet.
What else you got to do?
For the red.
Huh? Well, you got the reds done here, right?
Yeah.
Got the whites all done on the porch.
That one red.
And the flagpole is lit up, right, from the low voltage.
Yeah, the red we say yesterday I can put a red one and the small bushes there.
Red?
Yeah, red.
He told you that when? Yesterday?
Yesterday.
He wasn't drinking, was he? I don't think. No, I'm just kidding you.
Nah,
Just kidding. You don't drink.
I'm not drinking. Maybe not drinking.
No, he doesn't drink. I'm just kidding you.
Yeah, two red, one red, and the bushes.
Red there?
Yeah.
Okay, that'll look good.
Yeah.
Oh boy. I was just asking Jeff if you were drinking yesterday. I was just kidding. I knew you didn't drink. I was just giving him a hard time. How you doing, Rich?
Good, help yourself.
Good, sir. Everything good?
You got body camera?
Body camera. Everything good?
Yeah,
Yeah.
can't complain.
How's Mr. J doing?
He's doing all right. We bought that new bucket truck.
Yeah.
Some drunk hit it the other day.
Did he? I just talked to
Came
Jay
through our-
Saturday.
Huh?
I talked to him Saturday. He didn't say nothing about that.
Came through the parking lot.
No. At the shop?
Yeah, it came through the parking lot, hit it head on. Backed up, pulled out on Mayor Road, and went down Mayor Road on the wrong side. Came from across the street at the bar. So they're checking their security cameras to see if, because they had two cars in their parking lot damaged.
I guess that's been going on before you and I were born. And it'll be on after. People go to bars, drink, and then don't go home. You know, and especially nowadays, it's changed a lot since you and I were kids.
Yeah.
You know, now you can call Uber and don't need to leave your car.
That's right.
You know how much it costs when you...
Used to be a time where, if you got stopped for driving under the influence, you're already a quarter mile away from your house, park the car, I'll take you home. They don't want to do the paperwork. Not anymore.
No, a cop wouldn't do that now because he'd be liable.
Yeah.
If you pulled somebody over like that, or you and I saw somebody and we put him back of, if we were in the Rundle, we'd be in trouble doing that, wouldn't we? We'd be all written up.
Yep.
A lot of things changed.
Yeah.
Now, Jay never said nothing about that. That's a shame.
yeah.
There's a lot of damage.
Well,
Not drivable anymore.
I had to take it over to the GM dealer over in Gaithersburg because they've got a truck center over there.
That's a long ways to go.
So I take it over there because when they hit it so hard it bent the rim.
No.
And it put the
That's a
bumper
big
up
truck
like
to be bending the rim.
Yeah, it pushed up like that.
That guy must have slammed that thing. Holy cow.
Yeah.
He must have had a big running head start. Good Lord.
I mean, when he comes.
Did they ever catch him?
Nah.
No?
You can't read the tag number either. We got the security cameras there. But,
And I know this is a dumb question, but he's not going to come back and fess up to it.
oh, hell no.
But that's the right thing to do.
He probably drunk enough he didn't know he did it.
You know the tractors?
Well, I got it. What year is that?
2019. Where you still got your blue one? Where's your blue truck?
No, shit, I sold that along. I gave that to Jay Jr.
Did you?
Yeah.
Can you adopt me? Give me a truck
Tahoe.
new every year?
Yeah. I gave that to him. I had 128,000 miles on it when I gave it to him.
Did you? I didn't know you had that many miles on it.
Yeah,
I think it was brand new like yesterday. What year is that?
It was 2008.
2008? No, you were at the shop and you had a brand new truck one day and it wasn't a 2008.
This must have been this one right here.
Okay, yeah, it had to be.
That's a 2015.
Hey Diane, how are you?
I'm doing good. How about yourself?
I haven't seen you in ages. I guess it was 47, 48 when I saw you last. You were graduating high school.
I was just being born.
I was talking to Jay the other day. It sounded like he got one employee back, Brenda, and another employee. So he was happy. He called me the other day. He said, I got some good news. And I said, what do you got? And he started telling me, because I know he's been, every time I talk to him, I know it's big on his mind, you know. Yeah. It's hard to get.
Oh, I know.
I had to let 2 guys go, one 2 weeks ago and one 2 months ago stealing.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
They were talking some serious coin, too.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm. That adds up. Because it goes on for a while and you're not realizing what's working on it.
Yeah.
That just gets old when people do that stuff and it's not right and they're lying to you the whole time.
Yeah.
And these are people that I took care of during the pandemic, paid rent for them. But again, you know what? Jay and I talked about this the other day. We both do it again tomorrow. You know what I mean? Because you're not thinking about that at the time, right? Yeah, 3 months go by, you walk up, you and I have been working for years, and you say, man, Diane, I'm making this up, of course, it's not ever happened, but, you know, you've helped me before when I was in the jam. So, I mean, but you know, people are going to pay you back.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And I just be honest with people, but some of these guys, you know, you pay, you help them out, man, don't worry about it. You know what I mean? And then 6 months later, then you find out from other sources that, no, it can't be. It can't be taken out of your pocket. Go to supply houses, get stuff. You know, and you know how much that vinyl costs you. What if every roll you bought, another one went out the door for 6 months?
Price of money, and the price of vinyl has gone up 35–40%.
Yeah, but just think of what I just said. Think about what I just said once, and it goes for 6 months. For every roll Jay bought, somebody there took a roll home. You know how much money that add up?
Oh, absolutely.
Some serious coin. Yeah. Jay and I were talking about it last Saturday. He just shook his head. Same thing, you know, and it's just like, wow. But it's part of... It's just life in society, you know? But you and I would never do that to each other in a million years. But other people, they don't care about that, you know? Yep. Make a fast buck and go down the road. Good to see you, Rich. Happy Thanksgiving to you.
Thank you.
Appreciate all you guys do for us.
Thank you.
Jeff, you got enough green? You pretty good shape? Yeah. Okay. All right. So it'll look good. This green is really nice at night. Jeff just did green in my house. It looks unbelievable.
Yeah. Yep.
Green, baby. Next year, Mr. Richard wants to do this tree in red next year. I'm going to put it in the computer so we have it. Okay. And I have to order that special, too. It's a special red, okay? It's a Trump red. It's a Donald Trump special red. Comes from China. I'll see you, Rich.
All right, take care.
Oh, who's that? Who's that? Who's that making all that noise?
Bobby, I tell you what.
What's that, Jim?
I love that dog, but I will not get another Malinois.
No?
No, too much freaking, too much work.
Too much work?
Too much work.
Well, I hope you don't say that too loud around her. Oh, who's down here working today? Who's down here working? Who's that?
Enough.
What are you doing? What are you doing, Chasey? What you doing, Chasey? You been working, bud? You been working? Yeah. Good stuff? How's this open, Jim? Oh, here we go. Yep, I got it. Chase is like, come on, Dad. Come on. Say, come on. Mr. Chase Carr, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? So I've been hanging, Dad. I've been working with Jim today. Come on, let's go outside. Keep these guys quiet. Come on. Come on.
No. Oh, that was a good one, right in the nose.
You guys be good, okay? You guys be good. So we're good, Mr. Bob. Come on. What are you doing? Look like he's getting ready to pee on something.
You better not.
I know, that's what I say. Better not. He better not. He better not. He better not. How you doing, bud?
Good, how are you?
Everything good?
Yeah.
Happy Thanksgiving to you.
Thanksgiving.
Oh, Bob, Lee, Bob.
Lee, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, sir.
Okay, Sid.
You want to invite Adam for the podcast money, you're welcome to. If he wants to hop in with us.
Good talk.
You know, him and I can just talk.
Yeah.
Hey, we don't do business together, but we're getting ready to. we could just go, riff on that for 10 minutes. It'd be a great piece.
Awesome.
And that's true. There's nothing wrong with that.
Right.
You know what I mean?
I will hit him up.
All right.
Absolutely.
Jim, I appreciate you.
You as well, Bob.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, yes, sir. Chase, you be a good boy. You be a good boy.
Jay said he's going to be on the air with you on Monday.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What you doing, bud? What you doing? So I'm hanging with Dad. Yeah. So I'm hanging. Okay. Thanks, guys. See ya.
Have a good weekend, brother.
You do the same. See you Monday at noon, Jim.
Yes, sir. I'm going to put that in my calendar right now, Bob.
Okay, Jim. Mr. Chase, you doing good? So I'm doing good. All right. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.